Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this reimagined Emily from Corpse Bride makeup look. I wanted to do a more corpse-like version of her with a skull mouth, and I have been excited to try out this version of her. To start this look, I'm using light blue Mehron face paint, and I'm only putting it on the eye and forehead area to start. I did not block out my brows, but I will be camouflaging them with the eyeshadow. Now for the eye makeup, I'm using a very dark blue, and with the eyeshadow I'm making a rounded circle shape. Her eyes are very big and round, and we're going to be taking this eyeshadow very up close to and over top of the eyebrows. Here I'm adding a lighter shade of blue and blending that out. Next I'm using black face paint to create the eyebrows, trying to mimic the curved kind of sad shape that she has as close as possible. To make her eyes look more wide and more circular, I'm adding some white face paint underneath my eyes, and this is to create the illusion that my eyes are bigger and rounder than they are. Then I use white eyeliner in the waterline. Then going around the outside of that with the blue face paint. And then filling in the rest of the face with the blue. With black liquid eyeliner, I am creating lashes for the bottom of the eye, where we created the extra white. With blue eyeshadow, I am contouring my nose, making it very, very thin, using the blue on the sides of the nose and making it come inward, trying as best as possible to recreate her nose shape. Then I mixed white into some of the blue paint to create the highlights for the nose, using this to make a thin line right in the middle of the nose, then adding some black face paint in a triangle shape for her nostrils. Then with darker blue face paint, I am creating the teeth shapes. Then I'm using some of the blue face paint above the teeth for the gum outlines. Then creating the mouth hollow openings. I went with more of a dramatic shape for the mouth hollows to kind of match sort of what I think they would look like if she actually had a skull mouth, and sort of to match the shape of the eyebrows above. Then using dark blue eyeshadow, I am shading the mouth hollow area. Then shading beneath the top gum line. Then starting to darken and shade the mouth hollow area, making it darkest near the teeth and then blending outward. Then adding some shading with a lighter blue. Then creating some shadows around the outside of the teeth on the gum line. And adding a little bit of highlight right along the cheekbone line. Then with a mixture of the light blue face paint and white, I am now filling in the teeth. Then I'm filling in the neck, chest, and one of the arms with the light blue face paint. For the other arm, I made a quick skeleton shape. Then did some shading on the chest around the bone areas. And then did some shading around the hairline to sort of blend it into the wig. To complete the look, I used white contact lenses, a dark blue wig, a flower crown, and a dress. And that completes this Emily from Corpse Bride if she was more skeletonized, sort of reimagined to be more corpse-like. I really love the Corpse Bride movie, so I was really excited to do this look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.